All right, next example, it says give the domain and range of each function whose graph is described. So for this part A, change that opens down to opens up for me. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so we have we have two examples. The first example, the vertex is -9, -3, and the parabola opens up. So I put a graph here because I want you to try to graph it so you can identify its domain and range. So you can see it visually. So we know that the vertex, that's the center point of the graph, is at -9, -3. And this parabola opens upward, something like this. Okay, so vertex, it says that it's at -9, -3. This is part A. And then it opens up. What do you think the domain would be? Well, we already know that. We've been doing this for the past couple of examples. Negative infinity to positive infinity. But what is the range? Where does the parabola start at? At what number? As we have -10, -9, but look along the y-axis. -6, -4, at -3. That's where the parabola begins. So we have open bracket, -3 to positive infinity. So that will be your domain and range. So let's look at example B. Okay, question says give the domain and range for the quadratic function whose graph is described. So we have, it says its maximum is equal to -5 at x equals to 10. Okay, so how would we go about that to find if it says maximum is equal to -5, that means the parabola is going to open downward. What would be the vertex? At x equals to 10, the max value is -5. So let's find 10 and -5. Right here opens downward. What will be the domain and range? Our domain, negative infinity to positive infinity. Our range would be from negative infinity, comma, -5. There we go.